We're trying to figure out if I should cut her hair first or if we should make cookies. I keep telling her because we have to make the cookie and then it has to cool down and then we have to make the ice cream sandwich and then it has to freeze back.
So many steps.
And we're lit, so let's do it.
Start the fucking cookies.
You've seen the cassava cookie, you've seen the brownie. Now, this is the final of the ice cream sandwich series, okay, Sandra? The final. No more ice cream sandwiches after this video. We're making half brownie, half cassava cookie, but we're making it a little bit leaner than we did last time. Ice cream sandwich, but this time we're not doing Greek yogurt, we're using Arctic Zero. And because we've already made a YouTube about the brownie, look. I don't know, maybe we're not starting that. No, we gotta start. This is crazy. Alright, can you get a bowl behind you?
For what?
What am I mixing it into? Oh! Combine on high, butter and sugar. Okay.
Combine on what? On high?
Yeah.
Why is this so hard? What? You might want to start lower than high because the butter's kind of hard.
Okay. Something like a rational person. Oh my god. Okay, so while this is going, let's go take a quick joint break. Wow, we almost didn't make it back. Oh, beautiful though. These are gonna be bomb. Okay. Oh god. This lever. Okay, next step, Susie. Guest chef on Friday Night Bakes. Friday Night Bakes. This next step you have to do as Mama. That's her mom. Add eggs, honey, and vanilla. You're adding those things.
What is this?
It's vanilla extract.
Is it vanilla?
You want cookies or not?
Vanilla extract. Egg whites.
Now, mix on high until incorporated. 1 to 2 minutes.
Greek yogurt. Okay, now I guess we go back.
Okay, next. Ooh, not looking great. There you go. Cassava flour.
Look what I did. Oh, that's a good chunk of it. You're gonna need to put the rest of it. Another 2 minutes.
You want to go back and get the next round? Come on.
Here we go again.
You're like a little character. I just want to say that we came back just at the perfect time. Like, we didn't even miss a rotation. That's
What she
skills.
said.
We're gonna. Matt, don't fuzzy without us.
Oh yeah, that's getting okay.
Last step, Susie. I don't remember putting salt in there.
I don't either. Yeah, we did.
Okay.
Are you sure?
She's
Positive.
pretty good. All right, here, best part.
I just saw a giant beetle across the other road.
That weed? What? Where's the black? Oh, she has thought of it all, folks. Susie, best part.
Best part's when I get to eat it.
Let's see how it tastes compared to last time. Healthier.
It's fine.
Okay. Time to do this. Come on.
I'm like waiting for it to happen.
Ooh, this is not looking good.
It's fine.
Tiny
We're
bit short.
fine.
All right, I give
We're
up.
not short. We're good. So you
I'm
just have to
short.
make sure you are
Yeah.
short. You're a widow.
I think this is good.
Do you concur?
What?
I think it looks pretty solid.
Where's the oven?
Set the timer where I got it.
What's happening?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah?
You got this.
Oh man. Whole thing, 160 calories.
Hurry up.
I have to wait till tomorrow.
It is tomorrow.
No, I don't play like that. I know. The whole thing's 160 calories. It's impressive.
What is that? What is this made of?
What happened? Did it go through a snowstorm?
It's from the art.
Susie, put it in there. Let's get these going, man.
Let's go, bro.
Give me a minute. It's really good.
One eternity later.
Whoa. Okay, I think I need to put it on now.
Wait. This has to be even, dude.
How many?
9, so like right here, and then right here.
Yeah. I know.
Need help?
They're so uniform. I love it.
I know, right? It actually makes me really happy too. You realize that I, cut hair.
Yeah.
Kind of good at lines. Kind of. It's starting to melt. But hurry. Yeah. The middle's a little big. It's okay. All right. I'm not having one until tomorrow, which is really rough. But still kind of slow. Fuck it.
No, they're like perfect, dude.
Okay.
Come on, really?
That's what I said. Don't hurt taking a bite, because I'm not having one till tomorrow. Is it really good? Hell yeah. This one's you in the middle right here, this big boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Hell yeah, you earned it. We're gonna change the show from Friday night to Sandra Made It. Steve? You might need a napkin.
Oh my god. But just try it?
That's you.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Mmm.
Take a bite for the show, even though you're not baked.
Well, this one's dead too.
Surprisingly good for under 300 calories,
Really?
right? Is that what it was?
Yeah. Crazy.
Oh, how many calories was it?
290 or 80.
Yeah. I couldn't even wait till nighttime. So good.